Hello, fantastic fifth graders, and welcome to your new word sort for the week. This is sort 44, and in this pattern, you're going to be studying contractions, specifically for the words not, is, have, and will. Apostrophes mark the spot of missing letters. So if you'll notice in the word aren't, the apostrophe is holding the spot of the letter O. So if we were to put a space here, this word would be are not, but we can shorten it and make it a contraction by adding the two words together and taking out the O and adding an apostrophe. So contractions with the word not include aren't, couldn't, doesn't, hasn't, shouldn't, weren't, and wouldn't. Contractions for the word is include here's, there's, what's, where's, and whose. So if you were to separate this, there's a contraction there. It's holding the place of the letter I. Here is. That word is here's. And then you're going to have words that are contractions containing the word have. Words like could've, might've, should've, and would've. Again, the contraction this time is holding the place of two letters. H-A. Could have. Might have, should have, would have. The apostrophe is holding the place of two letters in these words. Same thing over here. The apostrophe is holding the place of two letters. Those letters are W-I. In this column, you have contractions containing the word will. For example, he'll is he will. But we can shorten it up and make it he'll. She'll, that'll, they'll, this'll, who'll, and you'll. All right, as Madame Botham and I were reading your English writing, as we were reading your stories, we noticed there are a lot of students who are struggling with contractions. And so that's why we're going to hit this sort hard this week. Be sure and study your words, be sure and review them, and make sure that you are ready for the test the following Monday. Go get them, fifth graders.